Ways to unlock your Alfred door lock. Option 1, if you selected the model that has the key override, basically you can open this up, slide it, take your provided key, and unlock it just like any other traditional door lock using a key. Option number 2, to unlock your door, you can use your PIN code by waking up your lock, entering your 4 to 10 digit user PIN code, and hitting the enter sign. Option 3, from the inside of your home, you can unlock your door by just turning the thumb turn like a traditional door lock. Option 4, to unlock your lock, you can use your Alfred home app by selecting your device and hitting the unlock button. For further information on how to operate your locks, make sure you're utilizing your provided quick start guides, programming guides, or head over to alfredlocks.com for further videos and links to our YouTube.